Hello everyone, welcome to the Security Operations Center practical series. In today's session, we'll study about performing a practical to attack on a MySQL database by using the PCAP file. So the software resource we'll be using is Windows 10 as the host OS, Kali Linux as the guest OS, the Wireshark, and we are using Oracle VirtualBox as the virtualization software. So the steps. The first step would be downloading the PCAP file. I have downloaded it, and I will of course provide the link to download this particular file in the description section of the video. Then the second step will be open the file using Wireshark, and then applying the proper filter. We'll use various packets to analyze that, and of course the last step would be the analysis. The third step would be to apply the filter, and then finally the analysis. So let us start. So now we are into the Kali Linux, and this is the file we'll be doing the PCAP file. We'll do analysis of this PCAP, this SQL_lab. I will share the link in the description section of the video. You can download from there. So I'll just right click and open with Wireshark. So this is what we get. So we get large number of packets which were captured during this. So these are the two hosts in concern. One is 10.0.2.4 and 10.0.2.15. okay, so various packets are shared. Okay, so let us go to the packet which are in concern. So first we go to the packet number 13. So here you can see this is the get. Okay, so I'll just right click here and follow the HTTP stream. So here we get this. Okay, in the HTTP stream we get this data. So here this is not the hex dump, you are in ASCII. Okay, this is ASCII. This show data as ASCII. So here this red part is sent by the host, and this is the reply. Okay, so here I'll just click on this find 1 equal to 1. Okay, so here we have this 1 equal to 1. So what the attacker does, attacker sends this particular state, this particular query. Okay, so this is always true. So what attacker gets in this, so attacker enters this 1 equal to 1 as the query into the user ID actually. Okay, so the main purpose of attacker in this case is that to check the vulnerability. Okay, so what the attacker sees that the attacker does not get any error message, but the attacker is successful in getting this particular thing, that this thing works. 1 equal to 1 works. So 1 equal to 1, whenever this is, so 1 equal to 1 is a true statement. So this so there is no filtering. Okay, so the attacker gets the clue that he or she can launch a particular SQL injection attack and get some more information. So this is what the attacker gets. Now let us see some more packets and see what the attacker can do with the other packets. I'll just cancel this out. Okay, next we check the packet 19. Okay, line number 19, this is 19. So just right click and follow the HTTP stream. So this is the thing in the packet. So we'll find 1 equal to 1, find next. Okay, so here we are. So what the attacker does is the attacker puts this 1 equal to 1 equal to 1. Okay, so in this thing is the input which the attacker puts into the username, and the attacker sees that there are many users. So in this case, in this particular attack, the attacker gets the information about the number of users. As you can see, admin, there's the user admin, then there are more Picasso, Pablo, and so many number of users are there, Smith. So the attacker gets this information that there are multiple accounts in this particular case. Okay, and other thing is you can see the name of the database, dvwa, and this is the user. Okay, this is the user account, root at localhost. So this is the information which the attacker can get. Now let us do some more analysis then. So we cancel this, and now we come to the packet number 22, line select number 22. So we just click and follow the HTTP stream. So again we find 1 equal to 1. So here what the attacker does, here we can see one single quote or 1 equal to 1. So this is what the user enters into the user ID. Okay, so the user wants to the attacker wants to check the version of the MySQL. So this is what the attacker gets in the return. So it is 5.7.12. This is the version. So the attacker gets the information about the version. So this is the version identifier. So this is the another attack. Now let us see some more. I just cut it, cancel it. This also cancel. Now let us go to next packet. Select 25, packet number 25. Follow HTTP string. So here again we will see the attacker. What the attacker will do is again 1 equal to 1 to find that particular thing. Okay, now in this particular case the attacker, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, so what the attacker does is the attacker enters this thing, sorry, this one, okay, into the search query and gets the information. As you can see, the attacker extracts the number of users, okay, the entire table, okay, gets the information about the entire table. So this is what the attacker gets, this one, sorry. So this is the this is the information about the entire table. So large amount of information is available here. So attacker can check what are the various columns, the information inside the table. So this is the entire table is given in the reply. So attacker gets that information using this SQL injection attack. Now let us do the last. So I'll just cancel this and cross this. Now let us check one more packet, the last one, the 28. Okay, packet number 28. Follow HTTP stream. Okay, so again 1 equal to 1 and find next. So here what the attacker is doing is attacker types this thing, and the attacker sees the username as well as we can see the various passwords actually. Now this passwords, they are the hash of the original password. Now it is easy to calculate the actual password from the hash value. Okay, so we can just copy this. Okay, and we have various websites which can actually give us the particular it can calculate the main output from this hash value. I'll show this how we can do this. Now we will get the password from the hash value. I'll just click here and copy this, and then we can actually visit a website, crackstation.net, and we can get the password from this hash value. So I'll just open up the Chrome browser. So here we have crack station. So crackstation.net. So we just paste here. Just paste it here and crack the hash. So the result is password. Okay, this is the result of that particular hash value. We can also check some other hash values if we want. Okay, so you can have this, copy this part, okay, and then we just paste it here and crack the hash. So this is Charlie. The result is Charlie of this particular hash value. This is the result of the password. So this is how we can use the SQL injection attack. From we can see what are the various attacks using the PCAP file. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.